So again, ano ba ang may expect nila when they watch a movie? Kasi marami din sa kanila ang first time pa daw na mapapanood.
Siguro of course, yung mga questions nyo na unanswered during Hello Love Goodbye, masasagot ng pelikula siya. And siguro 5 years, marami nangyari sa 5 years dito. So makikita nyo yung evolution ng mga characters na. Also, since this is an OFW story, for sure maraming makaka-release sa ating mga kababayan natin sa mga scene sa pelikula. So, sana after the film, after watching it, you let us know what you think. Siyempre, hindi naman namin pwede sabihin or i-impose sa kanila kung ano yung dapat nilang madala after the film. Kasi iba tayo ng perspective sa buhay. So, but this is a very beautiful project. We had fun making it. Kung gaano marami yung na-inspire na manonood during Hello Love Goodbye. Na-inspire kami with that film. Mas na-inspire kami with the second film. So, sana mag-isip.
You're watching it with, whether you're watching it alone or your loved one, so enjoy nyo lang yung buong kwento. And ayaw namin sabihin
alam mo kami na I love you doon na sobrang evident naman yung magkita sa resulta. Highest grossing Filipino film of all time. Oh my goodness. And meron pang isa, diba? Dahil official na nga po ang Hello Love Again is the highest grossing Filipino movie of all time din dito sa Middle East. Tayo lang kasi sayang hanggang ngayon pelikula mo pa.
Itong kasaysayan.
So, hirit lang ako ng isang question. What do you think is one of the main reasons kung bakit naging sobrang hit at blockbuster ng Hello Love Again? Parang main na rason. Diba?
Aside from the fact na pag nakita niyo ang dalawa on screen, yes, pag magkaiwalay sila, magaling na sila. Pero grabe, iba yung nararamdaman natin kapag sila'y umaarte on screen.
Siguro I think more than for the film being a love story, it's really a life story kasi parang it showcases a lot of realities of daily lives, most especially po ng mga OFWs natin na kababayan. And ganun tayo, I think, because us Filipinos, yung core natin is really love for the family and love for the people that matters to us. I think that really resonates with the audience. Kaya maraming nakaka-relate at maraming tumatangkilig po sa pelikula. So, siguro po, isa yun sa mga aspeto ng pelikula ko lang. Maraming tao na nakakanood nito is na-appreciate nila ng mabuti yung film.
We just out for their part as actors in this movie and yung mga support cast as well. Nagkado kayo sa our director who support our parts in this project. And I think lahat ng support at pagbawa na because of love. Kasi binigyan siya ng chance ng mga tao. Yes. Sana sa isang araw, but what happened to the travel? And sana, pagkita ng dalawang oras na, we're so happy to be here. And I really nakakapagod. kabayan nandito. So, it's only a small gift and token of appreciation na ito ibabalik namin sa inyo. Maraming maraming.
Exactly. At this point, alam ko sobrang excited na kayo. Makapagpa-follow up, of course, sa start sa ating Hello Love Again. Kaya ngayon, okay, yung mga reminders po natin, iwanan na yung ating mga phones sa ating mga seats. And pag-ready na po.